discussed about the photosynthesis, autotropism. Plants, how they will produce food with the help of carbon dioxide and water, starch, and how they prepare. Like that, so many things we discussed. Okay, based on that, experiments are there. Those experiments, first experiment we are already discussed. That is, starch is produced. Starch is produced in the photosynthesis. In photosynthesis. Starch is produced in the photosynthesis. Okay, what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Already discussed. Yes or no? Okay. So starch. What is the meaning of starch? Starch formula is C6H12O6. This you have to remember. This is nothing but a starch. C6H12O6. Another name is carbohydrates. Another name is carbohydrates. Another name is carbohydrates. Okay. So many names are there. Cellulose. Cellulose. Glucose. Glucose. Fructose. Fructose. Lactose. Lactose. Like so many carbohydrates are there. So these are nothing but the formula will be same, will be there. Number will be changed. Carbon number, hydrogen number, and oxygen number. So these are belongs to the carbohydrates. These all are same. The carbon number will be changed. Okay. So starch is produced in photosynthesis. How they will produce? In previous class we discussed. They will take the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They will take water from the soil. Okay, both are mixed with the help of light in the chloroplast. In the chloroplast. That afterwards we discuss light reaction, dark reaction. In that I will explain very clearly. But basic idea is, so they will take the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They will take the water from the soil. And they will take the light from the sunlight. And they will mix in the chloroplast and they will prepare the starch. This is the basic. So next experiment we will do. Light is necessary for the photosynthesis. Next experiment. Okay, light is necessary for the photosynthesis. Second experiment is light is necessary for photosynthesis. Light is necessary for photosynthesis. So light is necessary. Light very important. How it is helpful? I will explain. What is the meaning of light? Light is nothing but okay, it is a mixture of 7 colors. Mixture of 7 colors. Already you know mixture in physics. Okay, it is a mixture of 7 colors. Okay, these colors contain some energy. They contains energy. They contain some energy. Okay, that is nothing but photons. Okay, in the form of photon, they contain some energy. So the light is a mixture of 7 colors. It contains some energy in the form of photons. So this light is produced. The primary source of the light is nothing but a sun. Already know. Sun is a very big star. It is a star, okay? So sun, inside there is a nuclear fusion will be taken place. That's why it produces light. It produces light plus heat also. Light and heat both will be produced from the sunlight. Okay? So this light will be very fastly will be entering into the space and it will fall on the 8 planets. Okay, but heat will come. Heat also will come. Already summer season feel some heat. Okay, that heat will be there. Not only light, heat also will face. Okay, that is also comes from the sun. Okay, so here, so light will get from the primary source is sun. Primary source is sun. Okay. So what about the tube lights and these all the things, street lights? Those also will produce light. It's a electrical energy is converted into light energy. Okay, photo energy. Okay, so that is another one. The primary source of the light on the earth is only sun. Okay, so this light contains some energy. That energy will captured by the plants. The main concept here in photosynthesis, that energy will captured by the plants. They will take that energy. You know solar plates? Okay, solar plates, once the solar plates, they will take the sunlight energy, they are converted into electrical energy. They will store in the battery. That we will use for the inverter in home. Okay, so that is solar panels. Okay, that is different. Okay, here some light contains some energy. So that is captured by the, who will capture? The next question is, who will capture? The first point is about light, I explained. Next one, who will capture? Second point, we will explain. So leaf will be there. Just is a leaf. If you see the leaf, so there is a special arrangement will be, special structure will be there. So very specific structure will be there. Leaf is a specific structure will be there. So middle one line is there. That is called midvein. And these are lateral veins. These are called lateral veins. If you observe the leaf very clearly, the lateral veins will be there. These lateral veins will again divide into lateral veins. Again divide into lateral veins. Again divide into lateral veins. It is again divided into lateral veins. Children, okay, if you observe, just take leaf and observe that. Okay, the small chambers will be there. The small chambers will be there. If you cut the sum of the portion of the leaf, if you observe in microscope, we can see inside the cell, it is a cell. Inside the cell, nucleus will be there. Nucleus, after between the cytoplasm will be there. Here there is a oval or oval shaped structures will be there. A oval shaped structure. So many will be there. Oval shaped structures will be there. These are nothing but a chloroplast. Chloroplasts are nothing but here. These are the one cell organelles which are present in the leaf cells. Okay, these chloroplasts will take the sunlight. These chloroplasts contains what? This chloroplast contains chlorophyll. This chloroplast contains chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is which color? Green in color. Chloroplast is which color? Green in color. Listen carefully, children. If you take the leaf, any leaf, so many plants are there outside. Take one leaf and observe that one. Just take out one small portion of that and keep under the microscope. You can see a small chloroplast will be there in cytoplasm. Those chloroplasts contains chlorophyll. That chlorophyll is contain green color. That green color will take the energy from the sun. It will take the energy from the sun. In the chloroplast, they will prepare what? Next, they will prepare starch. It is very important. Finally, I am giving information. What is that? Chloroplast contains starch. Every leaf prepare therefore with the help of sunlight. They will take the sunlight, they will take the carbon dioxide, they will take the water. Finally in the leaf, what happens? It will take sunlight. It will take carbon dioxide, and it will take water, H2O. Three are mixed in the leaf. Listen. So they will take sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Water where we get from the roots. Okay? From the roots we get. So three are mixed in the cell. Finally they will enter inside the cell. These three will be entered inside the cell. The carbon dioxide will enter, water will enter, and the light energy also enter into the cell. These three will be entered into the cell. Finally reaches to the chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast, what happens? The starch is formed. Finally, what happens? This chlorophyll, green color, that's why. So, you predict the energy, water, and the carbon dioxide. Finally, they prepare the starch inside the chloroplast. Clear, children? Inside the chloroplast. Okay, this is about the how the plants prepare the food with the help of light, carbon dioxide. Now we will do the experiment with the light. We will do the experiment with the light. Okay. See. So further, watch the how to do. Take one potted plant. You 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 take one potted plant. Okay. You take one potted plant. You have branches. Okay. So you take one plant. Leaves also there. Okay. Leaves. Okay. Take one potted plant and leaves. You have leaves. Okay. Now select. Okay. This is a potted plant. It's a green color leaves. Potted plant. Now select some of the leaves. Now you select the some of the leaves, and you have to take one paper. Which paper? Black paper. You take one black paper and cover with this. You have to make one symbol, any symbol. Okay. So what you have to do? You make okay, yes symbol. Yes. On the paper you make one yes symbol. So what happens? This yes symbol will be what happens? Light will fall on this yes symbol. Remaining part will not be fall. So what happens? You have to cover the symbol on the leaf totally. Now yes symbol is there. So inside the yes symbol, what happens? Light will fall. So so just a clear answer. See. So this is the leaf. So here the lateral and midwinds. So okay, see. So this is the leaf. Take black paper. Center you make yes. Yes will what happens? It will be opened. The light will fall on this yes. The remaining place. Example, this is the A part, B part, and the C part. These three parts light will receive. Only the dark remaining part will be there. This is the D. The D part will not be follow. Light will not follow the leaf. This A, C, B, these three parts light will receive. What happened? D part will not be received. No light on the leaf. No light will not fall on the leaf. Wait for the morning to evening, 8 hours. Morning to evening. Otherwise 2-3 hours enough. Before that, you are doing an experiment. Before that, what shall take this potted plant? You keep in dark green before day. Before day, what should I do? Take total plant, keep in a dark room for throughout the night. That is called de-starching. That is called de-starching. What is the meaning of de-starching? What is the meaning of de-starching? De-starching is nothing but removing the starch already present in the leaf. That is called de-starching. Removing of the starch. Removing of starch. That is called de-starching. De-starching, what you have to do? Take plant, total potted plant, keep in a dark room throughout the night. What happens in the dark room? No light will be there. It won't prepare any food. It won't prepare any food in the night time. So that's why the leaf, no starch will be there. Now early morning start experiment. Take one leaf, select one leaf, cut a black paper, and as shape inside the shape the light will fall, the remaining place will not be fall, and A portion, B portion, C portion light will fall, D will not be fall. Now experiment will start. Okay, what should I have to take total planting morning to evening in the sunlight. Under the sunlight you have to keep. In the evening what should I have to do in the evening? Take out that leaf. You have to take out the leaf and take out the leaf. You know the starch experiment is there. First I told in previous class I told. Okay, the starch experiment you have to repeat. The starch experiment you have to repeat. Here what should I have to do? The additional experiment, that is called starch experiment you have to do. Already I told why experiment is starch experiment you have to do. Starch experiment. What is the starch experiment? Repeated. Okay, again I am repeating this one. Okay, see here. So take one test tube. Take one test tube. Take the leaf, keep and you keep inside in the test tube. Take inside the test tube and fill with the what? spirit, methylated spirit, methylated spirit or alcohol, methylated spirit or alcohol, methylated spirit or alcohol, and take one warm water, take one vessel, and you keep it is a warm water, warm. This is the warm water. Okay, this is the warm water, and what should I do? Just keep the test tube inside. Keep the test tube inside here. Leaf is there. Okay, what happens? The leaf turn into colorless. It is a warm water or water bath. Okay, and inside what spirit is there? Leaf is there. So this warm water contains some energy that will be received by this test tube, and the leaf turn into light color. Means there is no color, colorless. Now take out the leaf, and you have to take out the leaf, and you have to keep in a petri dish. So example, this is the petri dish. Petri dish. Keep the leaf on the petri dish. Keep the leaf on the petri dish. Keep the leaf on the petri dish, and put one drop on the leaf. What is that one? Iodine solution. Iodine solution. Iodine solution. Iodine solution. Iodine solution. Put drop on the leaf. This is the starch experiment previously done. Here also you have to. Why you are doing this starch experiment? You have to prove starch is present or not. Where starch is present or not. Starch is present means photosynthesis will be taking place. Okay, so you take out the leaf, just observe it. Now this is the same leaf I am drawing here. So same leaf I am drawing here. See, same leaf I am drawing here. See. So this is the leaf. So after experiment, what happens? So after experiment. Now S shape already done. Okay, this S shape. Okay, this is the part where you are covered with black paper. Okay. This is the A portion, and B, C portion, and B, and this is the D portion. Now tell me, generally after the starch experiment, what happens? After the starch experiment, this finally iodine. So totally turn into blue or black color. Totally turn into blue or black color. Totally turn into blue or black color. In previous experiment. Now tell me which part turn into blue or black color. Which part turn into blue or black color? Where the starch is present, there it turn into blue or black color. Where the starch will prepare light, where they will fall in the place, that will be turned into blue or black. Means A part light will fall, C part light will fall, B part light will fall. That's why A, C, B turn into blue or black color, and the remaining part, D part will be there, the remaining covered black portion, that will not turn into blue or black color. So based on this experiment, we can conclude that light is necessary for the photosynthesis. Light is necessary. Without light, we cannot do anything. The plants will not do anything. Okay? So they will be calm. They won't prepare starch. Light is very essential for the photosynthesis. Clear, children? So based on this experiment, without light, plants will not prepare the photosynthesis. So the light is there, then only plants will grow. Plants will grow the fruits and the leaves and even the flowers. Where the more the light is, that place only plants will grow very fastly. We can observe that. Why? Because light is necessary for the photosynthesis. Okay, children? Now today homework is, so you have to read learn experiment 1 already. Experiment 1 you know already. Experiment 1 and 2. Today's 2. Okay, second experiment. So these two you have to practice. You have to practice. Okay. Thank you, children.